Hey, this is the Shardor EM3209 Super Espresso Maker. I'm trying it out in my home for the first time here. I've made myself a couple of cups of coffee. I'm going to try the steamer right now. I'm going to put the steamer into place. There's an adjustment on the side here from off to full. I've got a little cup with cream here. I'm going to wait for a moment for the indicator to tell me it's okay to start steaming. (266F). Be aware, these parts can get warm. It's ready to do some steaming. There's a little bit of skill in getting this done right. And I've got some hot, steamy milk to go with my espresso. Hey, give it a try. Shardor EM3209. You can get it on Amazon for $149 currently. Let's enjoy some coffee. You too.